How to catch a leprechaun. How to catch a leprechaun. Words by Adam Wallace. Pictures by Andy Elkerton. The night is dark. The streets are quiet. St. Patrick's Day is near. I tap my hammer so you'll know the leprechaun is here. I'll pull out all your laces, put glitter in your hair. And when you walk around, you'll see my gold coins everywhere. Ooh, look at these gold coins and the glitter in the hair. You'll never catch me in your trap, but yes, I'll make a scene. I'll turn the whole place upside down. Your toilet will be green. Ooh, okay. House number 1. I'm going in. Really? That's your trap? I'm in and out without a doubt. That one was a snap. And now I think it's getting worse. A shoebox on a stick? I'll dance a jig and still escape. We leprechauns are quick. Yes, wow, he's everywhere and then now, oh, he's outside the window. Another house, I fixed your shoes. They really were quite smelly. I'll eat the nuts you left as bait and leave with a full belly. Oh, I guess he had quite a treat here. Oh my God, he put the smelly shoes in the sink. Ew. Now you're talking. Look at this. It's dandelion tea. But I'm too speedy for your trap. This tea is mine for free. Ooh, he already took the tea. They're never gonna catch him. I know you want my pot of gold. That iron cage was clever, but I've been alive 200 years. You won't catch me ever. Oh, the boy is trapped there and then surrounded by the alligators. Ha 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 ha! Now you're getting fancy, but I'll escape with twinkle toes. It's a fancy pantsy dance. Ooh, look at that. She's trying to slingshot her unicorn to catch him. It seems to me an engineer has helped with this design. Too bad this little leprechaun is going to be just fine. Oh yes, this sure is something built by an engineer. But still, he made his way out. Your entire house is one big trap, from the ceiling to the floor. Nice try indeed, but soon enough, I'll stroll right out a door. Totally safe place for leprechauns. But we see robots. Oh, we see lots of traps inside. Oh, even has a shark. The leprechaun be gone 3,000. Gave me quite a scare. But without a 4-leaf clover, it won't be caught in there. Wow, they make quite a device here. You'll never catch this leprechaun. Impossible. That's a fact, unless one day a brilliant child designs the perfect trap. Whoa, when will it be? But who will that child be? Oh yes, wow, look at this. The kids are all sharing their thoughts and ideas to build a perfect trap. Better luck next year. Not this year, I guess. The end.